Alright, so pretty much motorcycle dealerships suck. Get right to the point. Alright, so I visited Broward Motorsports in Fort Lauderdale. I've been looking at a Yamaha MT-07. The one they had in stock was a 2022. Alright, so the MSRP on the Yamaha MT-07, $7,899. And they have a dealer fee of $399. Now things got a little weird at the freight because their freight is $1,350. If you go on the Yamaha website, they'll show destination $450 and freight surcharge of $300. That's a $750 freight charge. They're charging me $1,350. Now for their prep fee, they're charging $1,450. There was a $2 tire fee, and then they had a $1.50 battery fee. And my tax of $716.09, which was a total of $11,817.59. That was not including tax or registration. So plus that, you're looking at $12,000 at a $7,900 motorcycle. Insane. When you first walk in, you have a receptionist there. You know, she was pretty much just doing her own thing. And then you had salespeople just hanging around. How I got the numbers was I approached one of the sales guys and asked him, hey, can you give me some numbers on this bike? I told him that I knew of someone that already had bought this bike for $9,300. His answer was like, I pretty much should have just went and bought it there. Versus saying, hey, let me see what I could do for you here today, or how close I could get you to that. Again, if he would have got me to $10,000, I probably would have bought it. Then I wasn't buying a bike there just because of the response. So we're not in 2020 no more, we're in 2023. These dealerships are gonna have to go and retrain all their sales staff because, you know, their thought is like, if you don't buy it, somebody else is gonna come behind you and buy it. That's going bye-bye soon. Interest rates are high. There's no extra money being pumped out, be spending on motorcycles and jet skis and stuff like that. So yeah, you should really have a hard look and sit your staff down and maybe teach them how to make a sale. That he was there for 3 years. So I was surprised on his answer versus him, you know, trying to pick my brain. I felt like I was picking his brain most of the time. When you're a salesperson, if you listen well, the customer will tell you how they want to be sold. How do I know that? I've been a car salesman for 10 years and I pretty much just listen. 90% of the time, I'm just listening. The customer's telling me how they want to be sold, what color they want, if they want a minivan, a four-door, a sports car, they'll tell you. And 9 out of 10 times, they know more about the product that they're trying to buy than you do. Sometimes they can educate you. And with that being said, I'm gonna roll the footage of me walking around on the dealership because it is a beautiful dealership and I'm pro dealership. I really have some Rikers available. I know everyone says they're selling as soon as they hit the sales floor. They're not as much as they were before, you know. They sit around for a little bit, so if you're looking for one, you can find one. They have golf carts. I mean, you can get the feel of the place just by having this monster in here. Look at this thing. That's crazy. You have all the Slingshots on this side here. Pretty cool. Got that KO brand. And you got some Can-Am quads over here. Got your Yamaha dirt bikes, if you're looking for that. Got an R3, another Tracer there. You got this bad boy over here. A couple Raptors, some Honda Navis, big red. Here for display. I'm pretty sure that's not for sale. Or not, I don't know. But it's pretty cool. You don't see them. Some bikes parked back here. Not sure if they're being prepped to be in the front or work done. I don't know. These might be trade-ins. I've seen these little things before. Got all the electric bikes over here. That led me to kind of go back online and do some research. If you're looking for a good website to kind of navigate all the dealership, Cycle Trader. A lot of dealerships advertise there. If you go into the motorcycle dealer tab, it'll break it down by state if they're advertising with Cycle Trader. So for Florida, there was like 190 dealerships, I believe. I'm sure that this video is not gonna make a big impact on their sales. Just for the people that do watch the channel, if you can get it from another customer, go ahead and get it, you know, but you're not gonna get it from me. I know that for a fact.